China Air Force. You're entering the Chinese airspace. Please indicate your nationality, ID, and the purpose of your flight. Change course immediately.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
来这么多次还装听不懂？
嗨，你白费劲儿，对牛弹琴。
How about this?
His English is getting a little better, isn't it?
Maybe he got himself a tutor.
Continue surveillance. The day these guys can stick with us is the day I learn Chinese.
危险！躲避！我去，跑天上喷泉来了！盯住了！
Where's the other guy?
You're entering the Chinese airspace. Change course. Change course.
Looks like someone's gonna be learning Chinese.
What, do you like this guy now?
He is kind of cute. Cuter than you.
你刚才的动作让我想起了一部电影啊。
闭嘴！我们是人民空军。列空红岸驱离任务完成，请求返航。
列空红岸70度方位，不明机2架高速向你们逼近，注意警戒。
他们想干什么？
来者不善，保持警戒。 Land at 12 o'clock, 2 miles. No altitude cold. Let's show force. 列空被锁定，规避。没完没了了是吧？给他们吃个棉花糖。
明白。
Flying, flying. It's radar set.
I see them. There they are. There's only one plane.
Figuring the night alive! Damn it, 6 o'clock! Stop clear! Stop clear! Drop fuel tank! Drop fuel tank! It's no fun anymore. Let's get out of here. 跑得挺快啊！
瞧把他们厉害的，还敢来这儿找存在感，来而不往非礼也。收工！呼呼。